top of the meatball to you. March is here, St. Paddy's Day. Everybody's a little bit Irish on St. Paddy's Day, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, my favorite candy around this time, probably yours too, is Irish potatoes. And we're gonna make them.
Hey, I'm Kevin. And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio. And you're about to get cooking with Frankie Meatball.
The ultimate meatball.
This is one of my favorite candies around this time. March is here. Happy St. Paddy's Day, right? You need to make this for your St. Paddy's Day party, okay? So you want to get your butter softened, and you want a half a stick of butter or 4 tablespoons. Put it in a large bowl. Now you get yourself some Philadelphia cream cheese. Gotta be Philly, okay? You want half of a stick, which is 4 ounces. How do you know they're 4 ounces? There's lines right here, and each one of these lines is an ounce of cream cheese. Cut that right in half. Boom. And the other half, you put with your bagels. You have some bagel and coffee, bada bing, bada boom coffee, right? Put that in there. Like I said, guys, you could do this 1, 2, 3, and it's a crowd pleaser. You can put it out for your St. Paddy's Day party. Don't forget to invite me, eh? I'll bring the vino, eh? You know me, I gotta do it, eh? So, get yourself a hand mixer, okay? You're gonna need a hand mixer. You're also gonna need 1 package of 16 ounces of powdered sugar. That's 3.5 cups if you have a big bag. Just scoop out 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. Put it in a bowl, put it to the side. You're also going to need 7 ounces of Frankie Meatball sweetened coconut flakes. Okay? And if you got a big bag, it's 2.5 cups of coconut flakes. Now, don't forget, we're going to need some vanilla extract and some cinnamon. So here we go. On low, you want to mix this together. Okay, get yourself a rubber spat. Let's get that out of there. Okay? And get it out of the beaters. Get everything out, push it to the bottom of the bowl. Bada boom, bada bing, everybody goes home and sings. Get yourself some vanilla extract. You're going to need 1 teaspoon. Put your 1 teaspoon in. And just mix again, just a little bit. On low. Mix that well in. Again, push everything down. And then we're going to beat it just a little more. Now you're going to get your sugar. You're going to put a little bit at a time in. And then mix. And then you just put the rest of it in. Alright, we're going to put the rest of it in. We'll set our bowl to the side. And then we're going to mix. Start out on slow so it don't go everywhere. Make sure you lick the beaters. You gotta lick the beaters. Okay, now get your rubber spat, okay? And then we're going to put some coconut in. Put a little in, mix, put a little in, mix. So we're going to put a little in, and we're going to mix. See, mix it just like meatballs. See, guys, I tell you, everything with me is meatballs, eh? Maybe because that's why I'm Frankie Meatball, eh? Gonna love what the meatball is cooking. Actually, we're not cooking, we're making candy. Get yourself some cinnamon and a nice sized bowl you can roll your potatoes in. Put some cinnamon in there. Just like meatballs. Again, depends how big you want them. Get about that size, right? You could roll it first, like a meatball. Okay? Then, make it, push it down, make it look like a potato. And then, roll it into the center. I would usually use mini meatball, but you have to go, So, anyway, let's make them, you can make them all different sizes, make them look, unique, make them look like they are potatoes. Again, with anything else, you just keep doing it, and doing it, and doing it, until till it's all gone. Alrighty, I'm gonna get the rolling. Bada boom, bada beam. Put it in your cup. You know what I mean? What you want to do is take your potatoes over to the fridge, keep them in there for 1 hour before serving. Irish potato candy, forget about it. Make it for your party. Make it just because you love them. I'm telling you guys, nothing like homemade Irish potato candy. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you get notified every Wednesday when I drop a new video. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, tell your friends about Frankie Meatball. Check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band Mothers of Rock. And I'm going to tell you what, guys, bada bing coffee. Forget about it. Until next time. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.